Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Zotac Gaming 2080 Ti AMP version. Up to now, I actually haven't seen what an actual 2080 Ti looks like in real life except for online reviews and stuff like that, so this is going to be as much a first for me and maybe for some of you who maybe haven't seen an unboxing, well, I guess of the Zotac AMP version of the 2080 Ti. It will be a bit special hopefully. So let's take a look at how it looks like on the inside. So as you can see, it's still cellophane tape there, and I'm just going to slice this open now. Before we open this up, as you can see the features: real-time ray tracing, GeForce experience, ANSO, highlights, G-Sync compatible, and all the good stuff. For its specifications, obviously the GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, 11GB of GDDR6 memory size, memory bus of 352-bit, output is HDMI, 3 display ports, USB Type-C, and supports Windows 10. Anything else? If there's nothing else, let's get this opened up. So this is the box inside the box, and something really cool that they've done with their design is that when you slide this out, it looks like the fans are spinning. I hope the camera managed to catch all of that. Okay, here we go. I hope you're as excited as I am because... So on the top, you're going to be getting paperwork, I'm guessing. I don't think there's a disc involved in this. So, okay, so you actually have some ads, quick installation guide, and a reminder to update all your drivers. Let me just put it like this so you can see me taking it out. Before we take a look at the card, what else? So you get some extra cables and nothing else in the box. So that's all you'll be getting. 2 extra cables. And here comes the best part, the card. Ooh. This looks so beautiful. As you can see, there's golden accents on the fans and it's been really nicely. The 2080 Ti definitely feels a lot heavier than the 1080 Ti that I have, so yeah, that's something to bear in mind. And also, these are all the ports that you'll be getting. As you can see, the USB-C port is here, DP, HDMI, DP, DP. Weirdly enough, they're all spaced out like quite weirdly instead of like the usual ones where everything is side by side. So, and the HDMI is in the middle instead of just being right on the side. So it's kind of weird to see it like that, but it is what it is. On the back side of the card, you're going to be able to see the Zotac Gaming logo and wording on it, live to game. Other than that, everything else is pretty much the same as any other card you would get. There's also some branding on this side, so Zotac Gaming, GeForce RTX. The entire card actually looks very sleek and to me looks very nice because to me gold on black is really the epitome of beauty. I'll definitely be doing a few videos about the 2080 Ti and I have some ideas, but I'd like to know what you guys think also. Like, what do you want to see? What kind of tests do you want to see be run on this? Do you want to see it in comparison with say 1080 Ti's or maybe even a 1060? Because for what I know, 1060 is still pretty good for 1080p gaming, and I would actually want to see how big a difference if you are only playing 1080p games that would actually make. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did unboxing this and bringing you through the experience. Like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos. Hit the notification bell to know when videos get uploaded, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!